Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to get Hostinger Black Friday offer plus extra 20% discount. Click the link from video description or pin comment, then it will be auto redirect to here. Look at here, extra 20% off applied at checkout. Then select any package from here. Let's select this one. Look at here, extra 20% discount auto applied here. 3 extra month included. 1 year domain name free. And if you change the period from here, make it 12 month. Look at here, extra 20% discount auto applied here. Get the link from video description or pin comment and enjoy 20% extra discount. Thank you very much for watching this video.